Welcome to Sammyeats. My name is Sammyeats, cookbook author and a culinary blogger. Over each episode, I'm going to share with you an Asian dish with little twists. And I'm going to share with you some of my favorite kitchen hacks. On today's episode, I will be making my smashed cucumber and corn salad. So here's my first hack. I'm not going to use the stovetop to actually cook this corn. I'm going to go ahead and pop this into the microwave for 4 minutes. So I'm going to start getting my vegetables prepped. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this red onion first. And we just want a little bit of it for just color's sake. Go ahead and just put it to the side. Oh, I think the corn is done. Let me go check on that. All right, I just picked up my corn from the microwave. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bottom. I'm just gonna unravel it, but you're gonna be very careful because it just came out of the microwave. Just gonna unwrap it. That beautiful corn. Can you believe we just microwaved this? Let's get a little bit more of those flyaway hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and cut all the corns down the sides, just like so. Oh, look at that. So now that I have my corn kernels cut, I'm gonna go ahead and place it onto this tray. Next, we're gonna work on our cucumber, but I'm gonna share with you another hack for today. For my cucumber, I'm not just gonna go ahead and slice it. Instead, I'm gonna smash it first and then slice it. When you smash the cucumber, when we make the salad dressing, it's gonna go into all the crevices where it was smashed. It's gonna make it even more tastier. All right, so now we're gonna get smashing. I'm gonna take my cucumber. I'm gonna first cut it on the sides. That went a little fast. And I'm gonna take a back of a spoon or any type of like wooden object that you have. You're gonna go ahead and smack the cucumber. And there you go, there's your smashed cucumber. I'm gonna do a few more of these. All right, and now let's go ahead and chop our cucumbers. Here you go. We have all our wonderful smashed cucumbers. I'm gonna be making my salad dressing now in this deep-sided bowl, and then I'm gonna go ahead and toss in my ingredients. So first, I'm gonna put some garlic cloves in my trusty garlic press. Maybe about 3 garlic cloves, depending on how much garlic you like. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more garlic clove because I like it garlicky. There you go. Next, I'm gonna add my honey. That's gonna add a little bit of sweetness to our salad dressing. I'm gonna add the exact same ratio of honey to the rice wine vinegar, just like so. And the exact same ratio of my sesame oil. And the same with my soy sauce. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just mix this mixture all together. Look at that beautiful color. Anytime I can mix something, I'm all for it. Before I add my vegetables, I wanna add a little bit of herbs. So I have some cilantro that I'm gonna just go ahead and tear into my salad dressing just to give it a little bit more fresh flavor. Another thing I'm gonna add into this is some sesame seeds for a little bit of texture, and I just love the little specks. Look at that, gorgeous. And if you're like me and you love a little heat, go ahead and add a little bit of fresh chili, or for myself, I love my fresh blend of my chili oil, so I'm gonna add a tad bit of that. Greatest thing about this is that I can actually taste it before I actually add my vegetables to see if it's perfect. Wow, that's so good. So now, just like so, I'm gonna go ahead and plop all the vegetables into this. I love this salad because I'm literally using the exact same bowl I made my salad dressing in to also toss my salad. I can actually serve this as soon as I toss it. It's like the perfect summer salad. And just like that, we have our smashed cucumber and corn salad. Doesn't this look so summery? We've got the really fresh, crisp cucumber, we've got the red onions, and we've got the really sweet corn that came straight out of a microwave. I'm gonna go ahead and take a taste test for you. Wow. I'm acting like I'm shocked that it is that good, but every time I eat it, I get the same exact reaction. It's unbeatable. This salad is so addicting. I can't stop eating it. It's just like a marriage made in heaven. So if you like what you saw today, I want you to go ahead and give this a try. You've been cooking with Sammyeats, and I'll see you next time.